Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, 51 days ago, another war started. Yes, between Israel and Hamas. And in this newspaper of Monday, November the 27th, 2023, we have two regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the regular Medium Sudoku. Not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you, no extra puzzles. What I will do is, in the weekend edition we have 5 puzzles left, two from the puzzle page and 2 from the additional. So no extra puzzles. In the evening I will solve those puzzles, 5 extra puzzles, but right now I will do the medium and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Alright, and this one will be number 7-5. Let me position here, 7-5. One 6. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare it with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle with 26 printed digits, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. Well, 8, 8. Need an 8 here. 8, 8. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. 9, 9. Need a 5 here. 8. Come on. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes, and 8 in the second row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. No 8 there, no 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. And 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6, 6. Oh, no. Need this. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1, 1, need a 1 here. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes. Here, 1 in this middle column. No 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two place left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the in that row. So the row between the only two places left with 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then 7, 8, 4 and 5. Okay, and now 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now. We're in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2, 2. And let me see. Need a 9 here. I need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 3. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3, 3. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. 7, 5, 1, and need a 4. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. The 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Need an 8 there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left with 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. To wait, 1 4, and I need a 2, yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here, or there, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here, or there, we see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 9 goes there, 4 in the last third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left of the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second columm, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, medium Sudoku, 26. Print the digits, should be an easy one. Should be a 1-star puzzle. I'm faster than, or maybe a 0 stars. But we solve again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.